Next topic is the filtration. Filtration, it is defined as a process of separation of solids from a liquid or a fluid by passing the same through a porous membrane that retains the solid but allows the fluid to pass through it. Okay, the filtration is a process of separation of solids from the liquid by using a porous membrane which retains the solid on the surface and it allows the liquid to pass through it. The slurry is defined as, or is known as suspension, which is to be filtered. Means whenever we take any beaker, whenever we fill it with a water and we have some solid particles present in it, solid particles are non-dissolved. Okay, undissolved solid particles is present in the slurry. Okay, and it can also be known as suspension. Suspension to be filtered is known as slurry. Now, filter medium means the porous medium which is used to retain the solid. The strainer, which we, for example, while making decoction or a tea, we use a strainer, and strainer there is the filter medium. Okay, a porous medium to retain the solids. Filter cake, accumulated cake or solid. Filter cake means accumulated cake or solid. Like while making decoction and all, whenever we use a strainer for passing on the liquid, the solid particles which are retained on the strainer is called as a filter cake, and filtrate is nothing but the liquid which is passing. This is the filtrate. Okay, the slurry, filter medium, filter cake, and the filtrate. Okay, these are the four terms which are used commonly in filtration, and this should be known perfectly that what is filter medium, what is filter cake, and what is filtrate. Application of this filtration, it is having application in production of sterile product, because we use filtration of air, that is by using HEPA filters, that is high efficiency particulate air filter. HEPA filter is majorly used for production of sterile product and to give sterile air to maintain the sterile atmospheric conditions. Okay, and to maintain the sterility for thermolabile substances, we can use the bacteria proof filters. Production of bulk dose drugs, solids of intermediate and finished products are separated from the reaction mixture by filtration technique, and hence impurities can be removed and the production of bulk drugs is easy. Next is production of liquid oral formulations. Like for making oils, for making suspensions and all, we need to have some we need to have some straining done to remove any particulate matter and all. So while making liquid formulations, the straining is one of the important step. Hence, for dewaxing of the oil, for making clear solutions, for making aromatic waters, elixirs, and to remove any solids from the honey processing and fruit juices, we use strainer. Straining is nothing but the filtration. Okay, the clarification of potable water can also be done by the filtration process. These are some of the advantages, or not advantages, applications of the filtration. Okay, production of sterile product, production of pulp drug, and production of liquid oral formulations. Now we have different theories which are used in filtration. The filtration, the basic formula for filtration is the rate is equals to driving force by resistance. Rate here is nothing but the filtration rate. Filtration rate is nothing but driving force by resistance. It's one of the most important formula. Driving force here is nothing but pressure difference between the upstream of the liquid and the downstream of the filter. Okay, pressure difference between upstream and downstream of the filter. Resistance, it is not constant. Resistance is not constant. It will increase with the increase in the deposition of the liquid on the filter medium. So filtration rate is equals to driving force by resistance. Driving force nothing but the pressure difference between the upstream and downstream of the filter, and resistance is not constant. It will increase and decrease with the deposition of the solid in the filter medium. Resistance can also be written as pressure upstream minus pressure downstream is equals to by length of capillaries. Okay, assuming that in a flowing fluid, assuming the presence of capillaries, this is the upstream, this is the downstream. Okay, and this is the flow rate. Okay, so rate of filtration is equals to driving force by resistance. Resistance is equals to pressure upstream minus pressure downstream by the length of capillaries. Among the theories, the first equation or first theory is the Poiseuille's equation. The Poiseuille's equation, the first one, he considered that the filtration he considered that the filtration is similar to streamlined flow of liquid under pressure through capillaries. He considered that the filtration is equal to the liquid flowing under a particular pressure through capillaries. Okay. So Poiseuille, he considered that filtration is similar to streamlined flow of liquids under pressure through capillaries. He assumed that the presence of capillaries are there and the liquid is flowing in it with a pressure and it is equal to the filtration. The equation which he gave is equals to V is equals to pi delta PR4 to the power of 4 by 8L eta. Okay, where V is equals to rate of flow, delta P is equals to pressure difference, R is radius of the capillary, and L is thickness of the filter cake, and eta is a viscosity. Okay, this is Poiseuille's equation. Poiseuille considered that filtration is similar to streamlined flow of liquid under pressure in capillaries or through capillaries. Equation he gave as V is equals to delta P pi delta P R to the power of 4 by 8L eta, and these are the derivatives of the V delta P R L and eta. Next equation is the Darcy's equation. In Darcy's equation, Poiseuille's law assumed that the capillary present in the filter are highly irregular and non-uniform. Therefore, if length of the capillary are taken as thickness of the bed, a correction factor is to be introduced so that the equation is simplified. So Darcy, what he did, he took the equation given by the Poiseuille and he said that the capillaries which are used in the Poiseuille, they are irregular in shape. So if the length of the capillary is taken as the thickness of the bed, thickness of the filter bed, a correction factor is to be introduced, and the modified equation, it becomes V is equals to Ka delta P by eta L, where K is permeability coefficient and A is surface area. Rest equation is same here, delta P by eta L, delta P by eta L. Okay, and that's his equation. He took the Poiseuille's equation and he modified it by saying that the capillaries used in the Poiseuille's equation are irregular or not uniform. Therefore, a correction factor is to be introduced and the modified equation becomes like this, that is V is equals to Ka delta P by eta L, and this is called as Darcy's equation. Okay, why? Because Darcy has incorporated the correction factor in the Poiseuille's equation. What is permeability? Permeability, definition of the word permeability. Permeability nothing but the flow rate of a liquid having uniform viscosity and across unit area of cake having unit thickness under same pressure is called permeability.